Ever feel like there aren't enough hours in the day? These Python scripts are about to make every minute count. In today's video, we're diving into how you can massively boost your productivity using Python. We'll explore two powerful Python scripts that will automate your routine tasks, free up your time, and transform your workflow. We'll start by creating a file organizer and then automate email responses. Stick around as these tools are not only practical but will also enhance your coding skills. Let's get started and unlock a new level of efficiency together. Open up the file organizer.py and let's explore the code. This tool uses Python's OS and shut util models to efficiently manage your files. The script starts by listing all files in the specified directory and then checks the extension of each file and based on the extension moves the file into a designated folder. For example, all the .jpg files go into a JPG folder while all .docx files find their home in docx. This method doesn't just save you from the tedium of manual sorting, but also keeps your digital workspace organized. I have a test folder containing 2 images, 2 docx, and 2 PDF files. Running the python organizer.py script, you can see that the files are now neatly organized. It's like having a little digital assistant tidying up after you. All the code you see in this video is available in the GitHub repository linked in the description below. All these Python scripts can easily be run by typing Python followed by the Python file name in the terminal. Now, let's switch gears to our second script, the Autoresponder for emails. This script is your ultimate out-of-office assistant. Going on vacation? Python's got your back. This tool is perfect if you plan to be away from your inbox but still need to maintain communication. Let's delve into the code. Using smtplib and imaplib, the script logs into your email, scans for new messages, and sends a predefined reply. We start by connecting to the email server with the imaplib.imap4_ssl and logging in. After searching the inbox with mail.search, we fetch each message and use smtplib to dispatch a response. This script ensures you're always responsive, whether you're out on vacation or deep into a major project. And there you have it, two powerful Python scripts that can significantly enhance your productivity by automating routine tasks. You can find the information for the IMAP and SMTP servers for email provider by searching online. Don't forget to check out the next video appearing on your screen right now, where we dive into JavaScript projects that can transform and improve your skills. Click on it to keep learning programming skills. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more practical programming solutions here at Programmatic.